In this tutorial, we'll be continuing working with the wireframe, creating this figure over here. This will be part 2 of it. Now, jumping right in, we're going to go to rectangle here, open the branch, and we're going to press on ellipse. We're going to be selecting the origin. We're just going to make a circle. Just press around here anytime over here. And then as you're going to see, we're going to make this ellipse shape in here inside. Just press around here anytime. Doesn't matter. Our radius for A is going to be 3.0. Our radius for B will be 1.5. Make sure the type is on NURBS. Well, now we're going to press OK, and it should create the ellipse over here. Now, we're going to go to transform. We're going to be offsetting this to make another one, but a little on the inside. We're going to press on entity on offset. We're going to make sure it's on copy. We're going to make sure it's on number, and then the distance is going to be 0.25. And then now what we do, we're going to select the actual ellipse and then select on the inside. And it should create it right over here, as you can see. We're going to press OK, and we're going to clear colors to go back to the blue color. Now, we're going to go home, and we're going to go to here to wireframe color. We're going to choose the color red. You can choose whatever color you want, but this one we're going to choose red. Now, we're going to go to wireframe, and then go to create letters. Here, then we're going to go to style as true type font. We're going to write the letters as, make sure to put caps on, and write the letters MasterCam. You can write whatever you want, but this one we're going to be generic and write MasterCam. We're going to make sure our height is at 0.5, and our spacing will be 50 thou. And then now we're going to press over here. As you can see, true type font opens the font dialog box to select the font used as the true type font and the style, etc. We're going to press on it. We're going to make sure it is Times New Roman, bold, and size 10. We're going to press OK. As you can see, it's going to take out the letters right here. We're just going to select anywhere outside, and we're going to press OK. Now, we're going to go back to transform, and as you can see here, we have positioning. Before that, we're going to make this box and select everything, all the letters. We're going to go to translate, and then we're going to make sure it's going to be move, numbers 1, no need to care about anything about delta, but we're going to go here and press reselect. We're going to zoom in all the way here to the E. As you can see, it already made an origin. We're going to press on it, and it's going to create a line. We're going to zoom out so I can show you. We're going to go to here, auto cursor, and open the branch, and we're going to press on origin. Now it's going to take all this and put it right in the origin. We're going to press OK. And as you can see, as you can see right now, it created the shape over here, MasterCam and everything. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.